Once you have a leads here in your Zoho CRM, there are certain activities that will likely follow. For example, you might want to set up meeting. You may want to assign tasks to yourself, things to do as you manage these leads. Will activity can be any of those things. And when you create activities for a lead, they show up in their own column. So for example, if I want to create a new activity here, so I'll just select that James Merced, and here I can create activities. If I just move here in this section, you can see this open activities. If I just click on it, it will show me all the open activities for this leads. And if I just click on close activity, it will going to show me all the activity which is closed or completed here for this lead. And one more thing, if I just click on this plus icon, what it will do, it will allow me to create a new activity directly from here. We don't have to go to this open activities. But let's say if I just click on this open activities, it is going to move me to this section open activities. And if I just click on this plus icon, you will see this same three options like task, meeting and call. We can add any activities here. So let's say I want to add a new task here. Now what I want to send the updated price list. So I am going to title this as next thing. Here you can select the due date. Let's say I will select tomorrow. Then you can set the priority. Now make sure this priority is always set to high, but if you want to change this to low, lowest, normal, you can do that. I usually set this to high. You can set the owner of this task, who created this task. You can also select the reminder if you want a reminder here. You can also set the repeat. And if I just click on this more task, it is going to show me some more tasks like contact name. If you want to send this price list update to this James Marshall only, or if you want to add another leads, you can do that. You can also select any related to. You can select this. If other leads or other contacts are related to this, you can add this here. You can select the status. Right now the status is not started. You can change this status to deferred, in progress, completely, waiting for input. For example, if I am waiting from my seniors to update the list, then I can just select this waiting for input, and then here in description I can just add this waiting for new price list. And then once I am done, I am going to just click on this done icon, click on save, and here you'll see this open activity. You can see the status, you can see the due date, activity type, from, to. And if I just go back to leads, you'll see this icon here. Now this is the sign of that we have assigned an activity to this lead, this green sign. You can see the date here. And if I just hover over it, you'll see it says send updated price list. And if I just go to this activities, again you'll see all the activities here we have created: customers, open deals, leads, contacts. Again I'm going to this leads. Now for example, you have completed this activity. Now you want to close this activity. So what I am going to do is I am going to click on this lead. Now I am going to click on this open activities, or you can just click on this icon as well. Now again you can edit any stuff here. For example, you just want to edit any stuff, you don't want to close this task, you just want to edit stuff here, you can do that. Just click on this pencil icon, you can change this. Once you're done, just click on this check mark. And if you want to assign this as completed or closed task, you can just click on this closed task, and it will ask you mark as completed, and then click on check. And now if I just go to my lead, right now it is still showing me this icon here, but if I just refresh this, you'll see we don't have any activity icon here. So if I just click on this lead and go to this close activities, you can see one here. Now it shows this activity as closed.